Hi everyone, this is Jersey. I'm talking to you from Digital Home Systems, your KNX smart home, KNX building automation products wholesaler in Australia. Today I would like to present you one of the binary input sensors, or you get push button inputs from INTERRA. INTERRA is a Turkish manufacturer, long on the market with big variety of KNX products, known for very good quality, huge range, functionality, as well as excellent price point. And today I will be presenting you one of their devices which are specifically made for pretty much Australian market, because they have 4 inputs for classic Clipsal 5031 Mechs. That's actually makes the installation of this recessed binary input push button input sensor very easy. This is, you may recognize the Mechs from Clipsal. All you have to do is just to click on and job is pretty much done. You have 4 ports for 4 independent Clipsal Mechs. So that means you can run up to 4 gang wall switches. What's good in this little device is really tiny. It has only 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters by 10 millimeters. It's powered by obviously KNX only, 5 milliamps current. And also has quite a lot of functions built in, particularly logic functions which you can use. All those 4 inputs from the sensors. You can use also other inputs external on your network and process via logic module built in to generate various logic outputs. This is pretty much it. This is really simple and easy device to install and put. For those who haven't worked with binary inputs or push button inputs yet, this device is to be installed just behind the wall when you have usually the wall switches. All you need is the KNX bus connected to power it up and get the signals. And as I mentioned, you can very easily connect up to 4 Clipsal Mechs for push buttons and other variety of sensors. So this is it from the device side. I will get you now to the ETS, how to configure, how it does it look from ETS configuration side. Hi guys, let's have a look at our INTERRA 4-channel push button interface in ETS. So starting with the catalog, where you can find under INTERRA inputs quite a lot of different type of binary inputs and push button input devices, but particular one we have today, we're talking today is this one, which is the Australian version with 4 connectors ready to connect to Clipsal Mechs 5031. This is the device, and on the right hand side you can find information from catalog about useful things, including bus current used by the device and application information. So this is starting point to add a device to your KNX project. Next we may look at the buildings view, where we have this particular device selected, and under parameters of this device we can go through general list of parameters, where you can find the usual parameters to enable or disable operations and sending intervals, etc. All the parameters will be going through here. You can find definitions in the product manual. You can find it on the INTERRA website, or you can get from us if you're getting products from Digital Home Systems. Once you set up the basic general parameters, you can go through the 4 channels representing 4 connectors on the this push button interface. So let's have a look at the channel 1. And on the channel 1 you can define what type of button or input is connected wired to this particular device or this interface, and what functions you would like to use on it. I'll show you quickly. This is the list of the type of devices you can use in your project, so quite a long list, not only binary switch but also dimmer, shutter sensor and RGB control, etc, etc. So I'll stay with our switch sensor type. You can use cyclic sending and whatnot. You can set up the bounce time, which is quite good parameter to make sure that the sensitivity of pressing push button is exactly what your customer would expect. You can also set up the LED functionality, LED on your Clipsal Mech, so you can either enable or disable or set up which way the LED should represent the status of the light. Other than the other channels, obviously will work the same way. Another interesting thing, this INTERRA 4-channel push button interface actually has additional logic channels available for you to program your KNX project. There's four channels available, 4 logic channels available for you, and this is how it looks, the parameterization of each of them. So you can use function AND, logic function AND or XOR. You can either use or not, and you can use obviously inverted logic if you need. So this is pretty much basic. Let's have a look at the group objects. On the group object side, you have those group objects enabled through parameterization. In my case, most of them will be, or all of them actually will be 1 bit, because I selected switch functionality of this particular first channel connected to our input. Next phase obviously would be to program various group addresses, and this is how it may look. In our case, our 4-channel push button, here is a group objects available for programming, and here we have a group object. In this case I used group object number 18, which is just simple input switch type to trigger on and off light on group address 001. This is all I wanted to show you quickly from ETS. More information you'll find obviously product manual. And now let's have a look how the product, this push button interface, operates in our display room. I wanted to top up our video with a little demonstration of how you can actually utilize this INTERRA 4-channel push button or binary interface. This is this device. It's currently wired for the presentation purpose together with the detector, motion detectors. So this INTERRA 4-channel binary input I connected with 2 Clipsal mechanisms, 5301 Mechs, and both of them have been programmed, as you saw a second ago, in ETS to be used on the 2 inputs. They are push buttons and they control the NUI actuator relay number 1 and 2, making the control of the light circuits. So this is pretty much the really simple device, not very quick to install. Just click on the cable or connector from Clipsal mechanism. So you can have 4 of them. You can program LED status on them. So you will have all those group objects available for your installation. So this is pretty much it. You saw programming, you saw we discussed the functions and features of INTERRA push button binary interface, and you saw a little demonstration of how you can actually utilize them in real installations. This is all from me. If you have any questions, if you'd like to use this product on your next projects, KNX projects, don't hesitate to contact directly Digital Home Systems or myself. We'll be happy to help you. All the best, stay safe, and I'll talk to you next time.